So the original conception of this site, when we first acquired it, was to make it like a food forest. But like the last few years since I've been involved with the site, what's really fascinated me has been what I think folks involved with permaculture would refer to as like the invisible structures. You know, like the social networking that's involved with being able to bring a collaborative effort towards a whole variety of things, whether it be establishing a pyramid structure to be able to provide people phone calls for free, or to be able to make sure that there is safe housing and safe food for for folks that want to be able to network and build a village together. So we neighbor a intentional village called the Hazelnut Grove. So the last year, what we've really been able to do is through a collaborative effort with the Village Coalition and another 501c3 called Food by Design, is this year and next year and the next few years, figure out certain areas throughout the garden outside of the perennial trees and shrubs where we can really create cash crop pathways to be able to grow food for maybe a nonprofit community-supported agricultural program, so that folks that were formerly houseless that have been able to network and create a village can then find themselves employed as like a farm manager within the Forest Garden, within the Hazelnut Grove, within a variety of different sites within the Urban Farm Collective. So that's like our main goal this year, I think, is to continue to establish areas throughout the Forest Garden that are pristine for swales and berms. There's like, it's sort of within the Willamette Bluff, so there's like a hill like right here that you can't really see, but so to be able to work on a hill, it just makes sense to be able to shovel out these trenches, which are swales, and with what you shovel up is kind of shoveled over into like a planting berm, which is able to like slow down water, collect it, and have it slowly wick up into like the berms that are adjacent to the swales. So that's like the main goal, I think, for like the VBC event. We're hoping to get a couple people to be able to spin some techno, and then just have people with some shovels just continue on the areas that we marked out with burlap to shovel swales. And yeah, it's going to be a really good event this year. So the city repair project is like paramount as far as what I think the site stands for, which is like networking and collaborating with sites together to be able to like strengthen us as a whole. So thank you, Reedy. Thank you, Kurt. Thank you.